Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Not here. Just peace. So today is September the 1st and I am on my way to orientation. So I'll be starting school this month and I'm going to orientation and I'm taking you guys with me to see how it actually is. So yeah, come along with me guys.
Two schoolers sitting down chilling. Oh no, one schoolers. I forgot. Malay not starting school until another 3.5 years or 4 years.
Yeah.
Thereabouts. Anyways, babes, how was your day today?
It was good. It was good.
It was good?
Yeah, man.
Orientation.
Yeah.
Learned anything on the first day?
How to log into my to access the class and stuff
Malia.
like that.
Malia J.
Yay!
How to access an account and stuff.
Yeah.
So are you still excited or you
I
feel
am excited still.
or you feel like say, what did I get myself into?
No, not yet. I'm not that
Not
phased
that phased yet.
No.
Okay. And what program are you doing again?
Office professional.
Office professional. Same thing as office administration.
Yeah, they changed the name.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter as long as do what you have to do and just come out. You understand?
Yep.
So what are you looking for? Well, I'm accessing another video already still, but I'm gonna ask you again. What are you looking forward to after completing?
After completing, I'm looking forward to different opportunities where maybe get a different job or get a promotion or stuff like that.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
The one Malaya Farid The one Malaya mosquito. Come, let me see your forehead, Malaya.
Daddy wants to see it.
Let me see your forehead.
Show Daddy.
Let's show the world her forehead. Mosquito bite her up on her forehead.
Oh.
And our sister is sleeping.
Come on.
Our sister didn't sleep
Let
today,
me show
so.
you baby Malia. Baby. Baby Malia.
Our sister is sleeping, so that's why she's here by herself right now.
Baby Malia.
Baby Malia.
Yay. Love to see pictures of herself.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you though. I was talking to a friend today who when we were in Jamaica, she was just starting school. And she was like 35 at the time. And she's older than us. And I remember telling her that, listen, it doesn't matter how late you start, it's your journey. Everybody's journey is different. It's you against you.
Exactly.
Not you against anybody else, not you versus anybody. You're not trying to race anybody.
I'm not competing with
So who been there and done that? Good for them.
Good.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Kudos. Or kudos. But that has nothing to do with you. Your race is your race. It's you against you, right?
Exactly.
So just be positive and just go out there and shell it down, you understand? But so no say I have them support. I'm not gonna help you do an assignment. Though,
It's alright. I think I can.
but you know you have Malia. I know, baby.
Baby Malia.
Baby Malia. Yeah. You guys probably haven't seen Malia in the vlog in a while till Malia is talking now and full blown kid.
Sister. Your sister has a Mickey Mouse.
Oh. Yeah, so we're just hanging out, guys, just home chilling. The other part of the Andersons is on the road. Came home, we didn't see them, and probably hanging out, which is okay. There's an event going on in Grand Prairie tonight. We might go out there and take some videos. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how Nat's feel, because she like short for drop asleep.
I've been up
But-
from like, what, 4 o'clock?
What you doing? What you doing up since 4?
We have Malika that is up.
Oh, that's right. Malika was throwing a fit. Did you end up giving her pediatrician that time?
No, I didn't.
Didn't. We're trying to break her off a pediatrician, so we're starving her off it, and then we go again. We go again. That's it. But this one start like pediatrician now, so no rest for us, babes.
Yeah, no worries.
No rest for us. It is what it is. I want to talk to all the international students who are watching this who are new to Canada. I just want to let you guys know that your journey is just beginning. And you might be nervous, you might be anxious, you might be fearful, but it's all gonna work out, right? I want you guys to know that it's all gonna work out in your favor, right? Don't watch the beginning. The beginning is gonna be rough. I'm not even prettying it up, because you're transitioning to a new country, new culture, new everything. You're starting over. First couple months is gonna be rough, but past the sandpaper phase, and then I just smoothness for the most part. Because there's no perfect society. But at the end of the day, I want you guys just to be confident and be positive. I know that you made the right decision. Some of you guys probably wondering, did I make the right decision? Leaving my family, leaving my spouse, leaving my kids, different things. But yes, you did make the right decision. And Canada is what you make it. Right? Canada is what you make it. It can be the best country in the world or the worst country in the world. Canada is what you make it. So I just definitely want to say that. And welcome to Canada. Welcome to the Great North. All the persons who are here in Grand Prairie who are new, Elsa, O'Shane, Talia, Tina, just a few persons who I've met. Anna, my Filipino friends. Can't remember all of your name, Danny. All of you guys who are here, new. I met many of you guys. You guys came to me. I opened your account because you insisted that you wanted them to open on an account. But I've had the privilege of meeting you guys, talking with some of you guys briefly. I just want to let you guys know that, yeah, we're here to support you guys in any way we can. If it's even just words of encouragement. And just to let you guys know that it's all going to work out.
It's all going to work out.
That's what it is. 2019. It's September 2023. We landed September 2019. Man. This time in Jamaica. I'm cycling enough to leave, babes.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about. There was no Malia. She never exists. Lock up her foot, man. She never exists. I had to leave Nats for a couple days. Longest couple days of Nats' life.
Ow.
Right? You never miss me?
No, I never miss you.
Malia, come and say hi.
Hi.
Come and say hi. And stop giving trouble.
Sleep, you know?
Stop fighting asleep and giving trouble.
No,
Anyways, wasn't that the longest couple days of your life?
it wasn't.
Really?
Oh, yes, it was. What do you mean? What?
You see, that was or it wasn't? Say yes, it was.
It wasn't.
Say it was.
It's not very no.
Huh?
It was. Okay.
Ramp with me. Anyways, guys, again, thank you guys for the support. All the persons who have been subscribing to our channel. All the new subscribers, welcome. All the long time viewers who have been watching and don't yet subscribe. Probably this video is a video that you guys are gonna subscribe. I don't know, probably it's the next one. But whenever it is, thank you guys in advance for subscribing and becoming a part of the Andersons Massive. We love and appreciate every single one of you guys. The constants, the person who always comment, regardless. We appreciate you guys, because when you comment on other videos, it makes the videos go a much further way. So thank you guys for that. Thank you guys. We really appreciate that. Alright, we're gonna be checking out now. Let's get this Friday evening started. It's the long weekend. Are we gonna go and check out the festival?
If Malika wakes up.
When Malika wakes up. Good. Okay.
If she wake up in the morning, we're not gonna get to go.
Well,
If she sleeps straight tonight, get
true.
So, and right now we feel a bit tired. So.
I understand. Yeah, so guys, smash a like on the video. Nat's first day orientation. Big up, babes. Congrats.
Thank you.
Been a long time coming.
Yes, okay.
Malia, say bye.
Say bye.
Bye. See you guys in the next
See you guys in the next
video.
video.